How to optimize your Shopify store SEO. So what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. So it's both a verb and an object word. So SEO can be referred to as how good your website is in search engines, in search indexes, in Google and Bing and etc. Or it can be a verb in a way that if you do SEO, then you are in the process of making your website better in those indexes. And there are a few things um, to be taking our attention to in terms of SEO, and I'll cover them in this video. Okay, so to improve how your website ranks in the Google search index, the first step is to connect a domain. So that is the most important the most important condition that you need to do if you want your website to be searchable in your in Google Index. Because if you don't have like a link, a .com domain, like if you have this B78 B6 dash A8 at myshopify.com, imagine how difficult it is for people to find your website. And because it's difficult, it's theoretically not possible for your already made domain by Shopify to be indexed in Google. So for that reason, you need to buy a new domain as a mask and as a branding tool. So domain is it's practically everything, right? It's your branding, it's your way of making customers easy to find you. It's a way for them to remember you. It's an identity, really. It's not only good for SEO. So there are two options for domains in Shopify. The first one is you can buy a new domain or you can connect an existing domain. So, but I recommend buying a domain from Shopify because of convenience, right? So let's click buy new domain, and I'm gonna search my domain and see if it's available. And it is actually available. So what I can do is just click buy domain over here and purchase the domain. Now, alternatively, if you want to have a local, maybe a local uh, web prefix, like what I want to have here, if it's not available in Shopify, well, sometimes some domains are not available, and in that case, you can search like Google domains or GoDaddy to find your desired domain and connect them to Shopify. And to do that, just click connect existing domain and just type in your purchased domain, and you will go to the verification, and that's pretty much it. Now that's domain out of the way. The second thing is keywords. So it's not only your web page, your home web page, to be optimized. You need to also optimize your product page SEO, right? Because at the end of the day, you not only want to show your home website in your Google index, but you want to also have your product page to rank up in those Google index, right? So, for example, the domains there are to take care if people are looking for your specific brand, like a car, like if they type in the cars in Google, they will see your website first. Now, the product SEO is when they are searching for your product. Like for example, if I want to sell like an audio upgrade for a car, like car audio upgrade. Now, if I sell audios, I want my product to rank up when someone searches for that specific product, right? And that's why you need to also optimize your SEO for your products. And to do that, there are two things. You can add keywords in your product, and you can optimize your product's um, title. And there is a tool for that. And the tool is free SEO tools. Like you can just find keyword tool in Google and pick the top one or the one that you like most. But generally they all behave the same. They all have very similar interfaces. So let's enter our keyword here. So let's say car audio upgrade, right? And now you select your region. This is supposed to be your target uh, region. And in this case, let's take the US for example. You might want to change the country to your home country or like your target market country. And you can either choose Google, Bing, YouTube, or Amazon. So um, just make sure you suit everything. Yeah. Okay. So let's find the keywords and let's see how well this keyword performs. All right. So okay. So as you can see, car audio upgrade was searched 150 times about in the last just 3 hours ago, and car audio upgrade near me is searched 40 times as of 23rd March. From when I don't know, but as you can see, it's pretty well. It's already pretty well searched and it's pretty good. But let's find another keyword tool because this tool is not particularly informative in my opinion. So let's okay, so let's choose keywordtool.io and search car audio upgrade and change the region. If you want to change the region to global or the United States, whichever suits you. And let's see. Now, there you go. It is paywalled. Well, I'm pretty sure you can take care of it. But the point is, if there will be a list of the most searched keywords in Google, and what you want to do is to just load up like the top three searched keyword, and put them in your copywriting in your product page. And that way, you will have a better chance to put your product high in the Google search index. Okay, so the third and last thing that is important other than keyword and domain is the speed of your website, like the performance of your website. And to do that, just go to Shopify apps and find SEO. And when you have your um, Shopify App Store open, you will see a plethora of SEO optimizers app. Now just find the one that suits you the best. I heard Yoast SEO is the best, but it is not free. However, you have a 14-day free trial if you want to choose. But I think I see one of the very good SEO optimizer app out there, which is Alpha Rank. It's AI SEO optimizer, and I'll show you what it's working. So first, it's SEO and site autofix, and this is very technical. Basically, it fixes uh, our website's technicalities, like the code, maybe the code structure, or like the other things, and that is to better our website loading speed. The second is content generation. So you can ask AlphaRank to create a SEO friendly content to maybe for your blog, for your product copywriting. Next is the keyword insights. So you can simplify your SEO strategy by indexing a certain particular keyword like we just did previously. And it has an AI SEO enhancer. So automatically optimize meta tags, alt text, and structured data. Those three are a part of search engine optimization. So it's basically a one-stop solution for your SEO other than domain. So what I recommend you to do is to just get your store a domain and get an app to optimize your SEO. Invest in that app if you do so choose, and I think you're off to a good start for your SEO journey. Okay, so that is all from me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a good luck.